Istanbul, the only city on Earth that sits across 2 continents. 3,000 years of empires, one city, and it's all waiting for you, on your terms. Expensive group tours that rush you through the Hagia Sophia in 20 minutes and drag you to the Grand Bazaar like cattle. Istanbul is too layered, too extraordinary for that. Uvamai's Istanbul self-guided audio tour gives you 12 of the city's most iconic landmarks, from the Hagia Sophia to the Basilica Cistern, with expert audio narratives that unlock the hidden histories, Ottoman secrets, and ancient legends that plaques never tell you. For just $6, your private access link arrives directly to you, professional audio guides, and an interactive map, ready when you are. No group, no schedule. Istanbul at your pace for up to 6 days. Stand inside the Hagia Sophia and finally understand why it left emperors and sultans speechless for 15 centuries. Step down into the Basilica Cistern and feel 2,000 years of mystery rise around you in the lamp-lit dark. Watch the sun set behind the Blue Mosque from Sultanahmet Square and hear the story of the 6 minarets that caused a scandal across the Ottoman world. Cross the Bosphorus and stand where Europe ends and Asia begins. Discover Topkapi Palace, the nerve center of an empire that ruled 3 continents. Wander the Galata district and hear its centuries of trade, intrigue, and reinvention. 12 stops, your Istanbul. Thousands of independent travelers across 111 cities worldwide have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually feel Istanbul, not just photograph it. Real stories, real freedom, real discovery. $6, 12 Istanbul landmarks, 2 continents, your pace, your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.